But as far as this entire matter is concerned, a lot of key takeaways as far as what the arguments were made, because in a sense, if you look at it, the centre in fact told the Supreme Court that it's not opposing the Teleco's AGR plea, but said some solution is required, because looking at some of the important points were made here, while of course the representation came from Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, where he did say that there has to be some finality to these proceedings in the light of larger public interest, because the government has also infused 49% equity into Vodafone Idea, that is. In fact, while presenting the case, he said the facts and circumstances have changed from the earlier Vodafone Idea's petitions in the adjusted gross revenue case. That's what Mehta had also argued. Now, the bench led by Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai, also remarked there has to be some finality to these proceedings, considering this tussle has been ongoing for quite some time now. Let's tell you that the matter will next be heard on September 26th. But remember, Vodafone Idea had moved the Supreme Court seeking to quash that additional rupees 9,450 crore AGR demand by the Department of Telecommunications, arguing that the fresh dues exceed the scope of the court's earlier ruling of the AGR liabilities. In fact, the telecom operator's petition had challenged the DOT's revised calculations covering dues up to financial year 2017 and the updated license fee obligations for both the Idea Cellular Group and the Vodafone Idea Limited through financial year 2019.